Panpatia Col Trek is one of the most challenging and demanding treks in the Garhwal Himalayas, connecting the holy pilgrimage sites of Kedarnath and Badrinath. This high altitude pass at a staggering altitude of 5260 meter lies between two unnamed peaks of 5500 meters plus in height. Being one of the least traversed passes in the Indian Himalayas, the Panpatia Col Trek is meant only for experienced trekkers and aspiring mountaineers who have prior trekking experience and knowledge of using ice axes, crampons, and roping up procedures. It demands a very high fitness level, thus, one needs to have good physical and mental endurance. The trail takes you through massive glaciers, crevassed snowfields, rocky moraines, and the never ending 7 kilometer long Panpatia snowfield, which is a treat for aspirational trekkers looking to tick this epic trek off their bucket list. The Panpatia Col Trek gives you unparalleled views of prominent peaks such as Neelkantha, Balakun, Hathi Parvat, and Dhauliganga peaks. The itinerary of this trek is given following. Day 1, Dehradun to Joshimath. Day 2, Joshimath to Alaknanda Camp by Khiro Valley. Day 3, Alaknanda Camp to Shepherd Camp. Day 4, Shepherd Camp to Snout Camp. Day 5, Snout Camp to Moraine Camp. Day 6, Moraine Camp to Parvati Gully Base Camp. Day 7, Parvati Gully Base Camp to Panpatia Snowfield Camp by Parvati Col. Day 8, Panpatia Snowfield Camp to Sujal Sarovar by Panpatia Col. Day 9, Sujal Sarovar to Kachni. Day 10, Kachni to Nanu Chatti. Day 11, Nanu Chatti to Ransi. Day 12 is reserve day. So this was the itinerary of Panpatia Col Trek. So the cost of this trek is approximately 80,000 rupees without taxes, and food is included, forest permit, tent, sleeping bag, safety equipment, trek guide, and these things are included in this trek. So if you want to book this trek, you can contact us. So portage of personal bags during the trek is not included, cost of any kind of travel insurance, any expense of personal nature, any expense not specified in the inclusion list, and meals during road journeys are not included in this trek. This trek is for essentials, professionals, so you need to be physically very fitted and tough for this trek. And if you want to book this trek, or if you have any kind of query regarding Panpatia Col, Kalindi Khal, Auden Col, Bali Pass, or Gupt Khal, you can contact us or email us. We'll give you the entire information, the weather information, the cost of this trek. If you have any special request about this expedition in the Himalayas, you can directly contact us. Amrit Ganga Valley could also be done in this region, so contact us. Thank you.